seen them everywhere, everybody has them, but come on, I don't have them yet, and I just got them. So I'm still gonna show you. I know you've seen it all over the channel, all over YouTube, so I really don't care. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Erica. To the new subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you very much for clicking on this video or clicking on the previous videos. Thank you very much for seeing my videos and watching my videos. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, I have these three what can I call it? There's one pair of shoe. There's a pair of slides, and there's a pair of some runners. Okay, there are also shoes. I'm not quite sure if they're shoes. Okay, they're shoes. Okay. So guys, yeah, let's continue because I want to unbox them. I want to show you on camera. I know you guys have seen them everywhere. Everybody has them, but come on, I don't have them yet, and I just got them. So I'm still gonna show you. I know you've seen it all over the channel, all over YouTube, so I really don't care, but I'm just showing you because I got them now. So I'm gonna still show you. Okay, so guys, let's stay in the and also don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Okay, thank you very much. Love you all. Now let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to open up is the Yeezy slides. These, I've been wanting to get these since last year, I think. Oh, yeah, since last year. Yeah, I've been wanting to get them since last year. I think when they just came out, I wanted them so badly, but I just kept on using the money for other things, food. Yeah, maybe that's why I'm getting a little bit. So this is what I really wanted from last year, so I got them this year. I know I'm late, but it's okay. I really don't care. So let's open them. Okay guys, side note, I don't know if these are original or these are replicas. I'm not quite sure, because I just got them from a very authentic seller. I would say that authentic seller. Yeah, so I am not really sure. So it's not me. I don't care if I want fake. So you know, I like replica. So okay, so guys, we have these. Okay. Yeah. So here, let's open. Oh. Here they are. Here, you see? Are they supposed to smell like plastic? Because they're plastic. Okay, not so plastic, but a little like plastic. That's how they smell like. So, you see? And oh, this looks very tiny. Okay, you see? I don't even know if I'm gonna fit in this. Guys, they are small. What do I do? It's in the back. See? They are a little bit small. Oh boy. So I have to send these back because they are not my size, and I'm upset now. Okay, so this one. So first ones. Okay, these are not mine. Spoiler alert. So these are not mine, but I just want to show you because I'm going to probably get them and exchange them for this if I like these more. these are the Yeezy. Okay, they're gonna look at my size, so I can just inherit them. So these are the Yeezy foam runners. You know, foam. Okay, but these are really nice. Okay, little. These don't have any kind of smell at all. These say made in the US. Okay. So I guess these are, you know, these are good. The slides came very tiny, so I kind of a little disappointed. But these go that side. I'm still thinking of these a piece because they came very tiny. What size? Oh, I wish somebody told me that I was supposed to get a size larger than my foot. But I'm size 37, and yet this came very small. So which means I have to get this size 38. Dang it. Okay. It's okay. Go back. Okay. Now, the last pair of shoes. Okay, these I had a debate about them because I liked both colors that I wanted to get, but I ended up choosing this one first because it was like something that was just stuck at the back of my head. So I was still trying to convince myself what I really wanted. Yeah, and so I asked a couple of my friends to help me pick which color of pair, and each one chose, but these ones won a lot of people's heart, so I ended up picking this. Okay, so now let's open them. Okay. As long as my shoes don't smell anything like plastic, glue, or whatever fabric, I am actually comfortable with them, which means they are good shoes. Okay, so I got these. You know what they are? I got these. You see? Here. Oh, and they also came with a spare shoeless. Each one of them white. Now, this one they gave me an option of picking the white, of picking, you know, of them giving me both. So these are the ones. I got the orange ones, but I'll show you the other ones that I wanted to get when I get them, maybe next week or something. The other ones that I wanted to really get between these and the other ones. Okay, now what am I saying? I'm confusing you people. Okay, I really wanted these, you know, and I also had another color in my mind, and so I ended up picking this one because majority of the people voted for this one, and I liked this color more than the other one. So for the other one, I'm going to show you in another video after I get them. I'll make sure I do a video of unboxing stuff, and I'm probably going to mix it with a little bit of clothing haul, but I'm not promising for a clothing haul because all the pieces keep on coming one by one, and you know, girl gotta wear clothes. I don't go out often, but I like to wear my clothes every time they come in, so I hope that's gonna work out. And so these shoes are size 37. Yeah, these shoes are size 37, but this is a 37 point. These are 37.5. These are definitely going to be my size, no doubt about it, and I'm very satisfied because I like these shoes. I'm glad I got them because they came looking so fantastic. Okay, so I got these disappointed me, so I'm gonna have to see how these are gonna fit the other person and see if or maybe I should get these and the other shoes that I wanted and then show you in the video if they're going to fit me. I think that's a great idea. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. So you know, I got these. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I'll catch you in another video. Thank you very much for staying tuned and watching my videos this far, and I'm glad. I appreciate what my money bought, and I'm just so pissed about these pissed me off. God. Okay guys, so thank you very much for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and also don't forget to follow my Instagram. I always put my Instagram in the description box below. Yeah, I put it there all the time. So guys, thank you very much guys. Peace out.